Hey everyone, welcome to Crasher Station. So today we'll make a Blender project from scratch. I'm a beginner too, so this is a beginner tutorial. Okay, so to start, what will we do is we'll go to environment light mixture, and here we create a skylight, atmospheric light, sky atmosphere, volumetric lights, get height fall. Okay, so these are the things we need. Okay, now you can see we have our sky and all. So as you can see, okay, sky and all. Okay, so we'll start placing our assets here. So to place our assets, I'll go to collection, content drawer, and add from quicksell content. So here you can see we have these, and I'll make a nature, you know, asset fully. So what I'll do is I have already downloaded some 3D mega scans, so I'll just export them. Okay, so these are some rocks I'm importing them to make a nature scene. And we'll add anything later if we need it. There are some great assets we need. Okay, I guess we added all the assets we need. I'm gonna minimize it to content drawer, mega scans, 3D assets, and here I have this, and let's, like, I want a little bit of this cloud scene, and I'll start by adding this one. Okay, so add this, I guess this. So we finished a plane which I wanted to create. Okay, so guys, we'll add a camera, and we'll add a cine actor. There is a cine actor, cine camera actor. Okay, guys, so here is our cine camera actor, and we'll place it where we want. Okay, so here it is. So here it is, and we have positioned our camera. We'll go to content director, and we'll put some 3D plants over here, and strawberry, and okay, so here it is. I'll scale it a bit. guys, so now to control the lighting, we press Control and R, and after that, just oh, sorry for that, and these again. Okay, here you can see you can change the lighting like this. Want it like this, we'll change it like this, and I think this looks best for me. And now what I'll do is I'll create a sequence. Okay, so add level sequencer. I'll just don't name it. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, now we'll get our cine camera actor. Here it is, and drag it over here. This looks good to me, and so now I'm gonna make some rendering changes. So this is our camera. We have cropped it. Global illumination, lumen, we are all aware of it. Okay, indirect lighting,